Okay, so this is the unboxing video to my Drift HD Ghost 4K NC pack. Basically got this instead of a GoPro because I'm used to the Ghost drift system already because I've already got one. This is the 1080p version and not the 4K. The quality of this, the 1080p, just isn't that good. If I'm completely honest, so I've decided to bite the bullet and go for the 4K. So let's have a little look and yeah, just see what's in this puppy. Okay, there it is. Bit excited if I'm honest. Let's give it a little open up and see. Pretty neat little case to be able to carry around your bits and pieces, or just the drift. Keep your sweets in there. Maybe some sexual toys if you get really bored. So in here, little instruction manual, I guess, to sort of highlight what you're supposed to be getting in the actual packaging. And then it's got this kind of like foam little bits and pieces here. I'm imagining that is to secure some of the bits that are underneath. Yeah, so you got some cables here. I guess this is going to be for the microphone, which I've already got because I've already got the drift already. And then you get this little water housing here, which is pretty cool. So that protects the camera basically underwater. Not sure how good that's going to be. So there she is. That is the little Ghost 4K. Pretty much identical to my current one, which is the 1080. They're pretty much, oh yeah, they're both exactly the same size. So the only difference is going to be the CPU inside the camera and so on. Little mini SD card, mini USB, which is exactly the same as the 1080. Let's see what else is in here. Get a lot of this foam with sort of, I think this is sticky back. Yeah, I don't know why they've done that for. Maybe someone can explain that to me. You get a couple of clips. You've got a flat mount clip. You've got a flat mount clip there. You've got a curved one there, I guess, to put on your lid. Helmet, crash helmet, whatever it may be. So I've used these before with my previous one, and these are really, really good quality, very sticky. They're not going to be going anywhere. This is going to be for the touch screen. Take that off. This is going to be for the touch screen, which ultimately I don't know how good that is going to be, but yeah, we'll give it a go. I'd have preferred a bigger battery, to be honest with you, because I've heard that the 4K drifts are not overly great. And that is pretty much it. So I would say that there's not a mass amount of product. I don't think this cost me £300, which I think is a considerable amount of money for what it is. I've heard mixed reviews about these, and I would have much preferred, if I'm honest, to go for the GoPro 7 compared to this, but it's just because I know this system, I know this camera, I've got the mounts already set up on my motorbike and on my crash helmet and so on, so that's hence why I have gone for this. But I will show or do another video for you so you can actually see the quality from this camera, and I'll put the link in the description so you can actually see the quality. But if you've got any questions about this camera, put them in the comment section underneath this video and I'll answer them as soon as I can. But ultimately, yeah, the next video I'll be showing you some footage of this camera. Thanks for watching.